So this is how you make a tonic. You want to get yourself a pot, get the water in there and start boiling it. Once it comes to a boil, then you can start to add your herbs. Then you want to start stirring it in there, stirring up the herbs so that all the herbs get submerged, and then let it simmer for about like 20 minutes. This is the herbs that go into our sea moss. So our sea moss is not just sea moss alone, there's also herbs involved. So not only are you getting the benefits of sea moss, but these 21 different herbs. And the reason why it's called a tonic is because it has multiple herbs. If it was just one herb, it would just be a tea. And a tonic is working towards multiple different goals. So these herbs right here are good for the heart, the blood, the libido, the brain, blood circulation. The Sasparilla is excellent for iron. So it's really good for vitalization. And when you make a tonic, you want to make, or when you keep it, you want to keep in mind what the purpose for that tonic is. So we're using this tonic for our sea moss, so we want to work with the sea moss and vitalize. So if you want to order, visit our website at drmission.org. There you can find our sea moss as well as our Coleman cleanse. Peace. Have a good day.